What is going on, everyone? Excited today to unbox a Keurig K Mini. This one right here just came to my doorstep, so I'm gonna unbox it today, and then I'm gonna pull out some of my other Keurig, like the Slim and the Supreme and things like that. I believe I also have like the Express as well. I'm gonna pull it all out and I'm gonna do a huge comparison on it, but today we're just gonna unbox this real quick. So let's go ahead and do it. Well, if you're like me, you've probably been looking at a lot of different Keurigs out there. With this line of Keurig, more like the slimmer line, there's like 4 or maybe 5 different versions of this. And I have to tell you, the design is really, really good. They've done it to where it doesn't take up a huge amount of room in my kitchen, because obviously if you have a kitchen, you know that all the counter space are all taken, okay? So yeah, look at this thing right here. Super nice and slim. All right, so this is the Mini. This is the smallest Keurig that they have out there. The use case for this is actually putting it in your office. If you have an office or a cubicle, you can get this and put it in there so that you can just quickly get a cup of Keurig in the afternoon or something like that. Yeah, so this is a great use case for it. The functionality of this is actually like the same as all the other Keurig Slim and the Keurig Supreme and all that. Pretty much the same functionally. You just don't get a bunch of fancy buttons and stuff like that. So let me just show you, speaking of buttons, right here, you have the power button on and a give me coffee button. That's it. There's not a lot to this at all. And on top of that, the water reservoir right here is not removable or anything like that. You literally lift this thing up, you pour in your water. They even have a little water measurement right here. But what I would do is I would get my cup that I would be using to brew the coffee with, get the water in there and then pour it into here and then use that same cup for it. Yeah, that's what I would do. But yeah, it's made so that it's single brew, it's quick, you know, in the afternoon you just need a quick pick me up. Okay, so let's take a look at back here real quick. The cord is nicely hidden right here. It's retractable, so you can actually pull this cord out if you want. How long is the cord? Let me see. That's a lot of cord. I think that's it. It's about this long right here. Not probably 3 feet, probably. I don't know my measurement that well. But once you're done with it, I mean, you can actually like just tuck it back in here. Look, yep, you just keep pushing it in there, and that's it. And then look, it has a little stowaway for the head as well. Very nice. I'm actually gonna leave the sticker on there. Oop, should leave the sticker on there too. All right, so is this thing removable? Let's take a look. Yes, it is. The bottom tray is removable. Very nice. I'm glad they've done that because then you can put in like a little travel mug right here. There's enough room for a regular travel mug. Okay, so what are you really missing when you are getting like a Mini like this? In terms of the latch right here, you're not really missing anything on it. It's the exact same latch system as the Slim and the Supreme. You're not missing anything at all. I think the only difference between this one and something like the Supreme is, you see these right here? This is the 1-pin brewing system. Yeah, that's a 1-pin brewing system right there. Versus the Supreme has like a 5-pin brewing system. So you see like there's 5 little holes that it can punch. The multi-stream technology that they have, supposedly it makes your coffee taste better. Other than that, the K Supreme, the K Slim, it has extra function like, you know, you can brew multiple amount of cups. You know, you can pick like 8, 10, 12. This one right here, you don't get that button at all. What it does is that you pour whatever it is in here and it's gonna brew that amount right there. which, you know, it's not a big deal to me, I guess. So yeah, you don't need a button for that. So this right here is the most simplest Keurig that you can get right now, the K Mini. That's it for me right there. Hope you like that, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.